Hi everyone, I was just opening a package I got in the mail and I wanted to share it because I think it's kind of cool, and it's almost the start of a new year. It's actually the start of a new Stampin' Up calendar business year, but also it's October. You can order this and start planning for your new year in January. It's a calendar that I missed out on last catalog time, and I bought it now because it's on the clearance rack for just $14.90 or something like that, under $15, and it's a really pretty. Now that I've gotten it and opened it, I thought, you know what, I'm going to share that. And this is what it's called, All-Inclusive Big Plans Planner Kit, and it comes with this really nice album cover, which after you're done with your calendar, you can decide to use it for something else, although you can change these sheets. So I thought I'd open them and show you what all comes in here. And you get some washi tape and some pocket folders. And they're mowing the lawn outside, of course. Just as soon as I start filming something. You get some stickers, so you can put them on birthdays or things. There's all kinds of nice little sayings. Then you've got your to-do list and things like that. Grocery, stuff like that. Remember to do class goals. This is nice for someone who runs a small business like I do, a Stampy business. I can keep track of my goals and my sales. And then you've got your days of the week. And the nice thing about that is that there are no numbers on them, so you can make it work for, you know, this calendar year, next calendar year. Write it in pencil and use it again, although I don't think I'm going to do that. And you've got little days with notes on the side, and then you've got big days of the week, so you can write a whole bunch of stuff in here. And you know, there's one for every day of the year, so you can have, each day gets a big calendar whole week at one time, but then also smaller ones, so you can write more. Then you've got these, which you can intersperse throughout your book. Maybe at the beginning of each month you can write down plans for that month, like a monthly goal thing. There's a whole bunch of those. Oops, they've got stuff on the back too. You've got goals on the back. So you can put your calendar together how you like. Here are some more stickers. Pretty. And then you've got your month dividers. So obviously you've got 12 of those. And they're coded. And then you've got that. So even though this is a couple years old, you can use it still because you can write in your own dates. So it works for, you know, 2000 and what's next year? 2020, can you believe? And then one for notes. And then you've got this little tab thingy that you put at the current date. So when you open it, you can just flip to this tab and know exactly where the week is that you're at. This is just garbage. Anyway, I thought I would share it because I thought it was really kind of pretty, and I liked that even though it's a calendar from last catalog from 2018, that it still works today, and I think it's actually quite lovely. So this is what I'm going to use for this calendar year coming up, this business, Stampin' Up! Business calendar year, and I'm going to make myself notes in the little margins and remember my sales and my classes and keep track of my business this way. It's a nice calendar. Thought I would show it off on the clearance rack right now for less than $15. And this size is pretty standard for calendars on the market. You can get refill pages from other companies next year if we don't sell a new one again. So maybe we will, maybe we won't, I don't know. But if we don't, you can use this, like I said, use this book for something else, or buy some refill pages from another company or something, calendar company. But this is a great deal for this year, and I thought I would share it. That's it. Thank you. Bye.